Urdu and Zara, the great story of Belaw City. Belaw City was a city famous far and wide for its beauty, colorful lights, and mysterious atmosphere. The stars in the sky here shone a little more at night, and during the day there was a strange freshness in the air. But within this beautiful city, some secrets were also hidden, secrets of which only a few people knew. In the same city, two girls lived, حورین and Zara, the beginning of friendship. حورین was a soft-hearted, kind, and patient girl. There was always a slight smile on her face. She helped everyone and never thought ill of anyone. On the other hand, Zara was there. She was also very good at first, brave, and had leadership qualities. For this reason, the friendship between حورین and Zara deepened very quickly. They both went to school together every day, played in the park, and used to look at the sky at night and dream. Zara often says, "We will always be together. No one can separate us." حورین smiles and replies, "Yes, always." Changing behavior. Time passed. But slowly, Zara's behavior began to change. She sometimes started to get angry, scolded حورین at every turn, and then even pushed her in jest. At first, حورین ignored this, because she wanted to save their friendship. But Zara's behavior became harsher day by day. One day, while playing in the park, Zara angrily pushed حورین hard. حورین fell to the ground. Zara said angrily, "You will always be weak." These words struck حورین's heart like an arrow. Heartbreak. That day when حورین went home, she was very sad. She thought for the first time that maybe she really was weak. She was sitting in her room looking at the sky, when suddenly a soft light spread in her room. The arrival of Angel. A beautiful creature appeared from within the light. It was Angel. Angel gently said, "حورین, you are not weak. Your heart is pure, and that is the greatest strength." حورین was surprised. "Who are you?" Angel smiled. "I am your protector, and have always been with you." The Joker's entry. At that moment, a laughing character entered through the window. It was the Joker. The Joker said, laughing, "And I am your special friend, who brings a little laughter and cunning in difficult times." Hurin laughed a little. Devil's shadow. Over there, Zara was also changing. Anger and pride were growing in her heart. One night she was sitting alone, when suddenly darkness fell, and before her appeared Devil. Devil said, "Do you want to become powerful? I can give you that power." Zara said without thinking, "Yes." Preparation for clash. Now, both sides had prepared their forces. With Hurin was light and intellect. With Zara was darkness and power. One day the two met. Zara said, "Now you cannot stop me." Hurin bravely said, "I don't want to fight, but now I am not afraid either." Big match. The next day, everyone gathered in the Belawo city arena. Clouds gathered in the sky. The wind intensified. Angel spread light. Devil increased darkness. Joker began to change the situation with his cunning. A great contest was about to begin. The decisive moment. As the fight was about to begin, Hurin shouted, "Zara, we were friends. Is all this necessary?" Hearing this, Zara stopped. She remembered all those moments when she and Hurin were happy. Tears welled up in her eyes. Truth prevails. Zara said softly, "I was wrong. Forgive me." Devil went away in anger because his power was gone. Angel smiled. Hurin hugged Zara. The Joker said, laughing, "Finally, friendship won." New beginning. Zara changed after that day. She became better and kinder than before. The friendship of Hurin and Zara became even stronger than before. Happiness returned to the city of Belawo again. Lesson. Moral. The real power lies in the goodness of the heart. Anger and arrogance always cause harm. True friendship can overcome every difficulty.